Samsung is apparently losing the battle to stem the flow of Galaxy S23 leaks, as yet another leak has shown off the upcoming S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra in a series of hands-on images. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has appeared in a hands-on video clip before, but this is one of the first times that there is a good look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus in the hand. An accompanying hands-on video had also been shared, but was later taken down for copyright infringement. As can be seen in the real-world S23 photos, there are shots of both the front and rear of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is shown off in cotton flower, cream, with the main design difference between it and the predecessor S22 being the removal of the clunky camera housing WUM. Now the Galaxy S23 series cameras are housed in aesthetically pleasing separate rings, allowing the misty lilac pink Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus to look sleeker on the rear than its S22 Plus relative. The Galaxy S23 Ultra hands-on photos feature the upcoming device freely in the hand and also in a secured retail test model state. The real-life Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra practically shimmers in botanic green and will likely win over many fans with that color, while the pickup test model is shown phantom black. The store marketing text in Spanish confirms the 6.8 in Quad HD panel, 200 megapixel 12 megapixel 10 megapixel/10 megapixel camera system, 256 gigabytes/512 gigabytes storage options, 5,000 mAh battery, and the presence of the S Pen for the S23 Ultra. Also, never before seen Galaxy S23 series rugged case leaks and renders. We've already seen a bunch of case designs for the upcoming Galaxy S23 series in leaked renders, but at least one new model slipped through the cracks and remained hidden. Here we have the Galaxy S23 rugged gadget case with stand from Samsung. As per the official name, this case was designed to offer maximum protection for the Galaxy S23 series. The case has a rugged construction with thick bumpers to protect the phones from fall damage, and it comes with a kickstand. The case has ridged edges for improved grip and an intricate pattern on the gray back panel. It's unclear if the rugged gadget case with stand will be available in more color options. Prices are also unknown, but Samsung should unveil everything we need to know later this week after Unpacked 2023.